Yeah. Hi folks, again. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this on the channel, but like I said, I do appreciate comments. If you're new to this channel, please like or subscribe or share. This is just a mixed, very short nature ride, chill time on my own. No, so I won't be trying not to talk too much, but just want to enjoy the nature. Anyway, I don't know where I'm going. It's just a short one, folks. Like I said before, if people don't like these kind of videos, please skip forward. Anyway, see you in a bit, folks. Sorry about that, folks. It's a big camera. I need to sort this GoPro out, get a better memory card, all sorted out. Do my tree in. Right, let's carry on, folks. I have to put these gloves on because my fingerless gloves are in the wash. Never got round to bloody washing them. Anyways, carry on, folks. Just enjoy this little short nature ride with me. whatever you do, folks, don't get old. Well, I'm not that old, but as you get older you get pains here, things are wrong there. I'll tell you what, if I could turn back 30 years, you know, it stinks of bloody cow stuff in here. Keep getting bloody gnats in the eye. Tell you when you twat in the eye, bloody hurts sometimes. Sounds just behind me. I didn't know it was behind me because I'm playing music at the same time. I will turn the music off in a bit.
Thank you.
But it's nice when you can walk without your legs hurting. Good body, your own teeth, own smile. Thank you. I love the smell of diesel fumes either. Right, quick question folks. Well, a very strange question, but leave a comment below. Out of these three, which you prefer the smell of? Cut grass, tarmac, or diesel fumes off trains? To be honest, I like all three, which is a bit weird itself. Like I said, can you imagine 20 years ago, no, say 30 years ago, you had your own teeth, you did put no weight on, you had no body problems, you're fit as anything, go anywhere you want. But like, wind on. Wind on another 20 years, just over 20 years, then you start getting your problems. Right, let's carry on, eh? I'm always whinging, but who cares? I tell you what, with all these health problems, it doesn't half stop you sometimes. Because like I have my eye to see anyone, I got asthma, which has really stopped me. It's my eye to see any sometimes stops me. It's like in my stomach, and I get acid reflux at night. So you can't eat this, can't eat that. But sometimes I do have a treat. I've had it for about 30 years, roughly. But people say I'll have an operation, but I've known people who haven't had an operation and it's come back. So basically I'm just trying to work around that without having an operation. I'd just rather cut back and just be careful what I eat. And it's so horrible when you get like takeaways or someone cooking a curry in the street and you think, gosh, I wish I could just eat that. Anyway, let's not talk about them, let's just carry on and just show you around nature now. That's a lot of cows, that is. Bloody lot. I understand now why people come vegetarian or vegan. I don't bloody blame them, to be honest. Sorry about that, folks. Just this bloody, this GoPro. I don't know if it's the memory card or it says that I need to stick it in a computer and like format it to a different thing, but I will look at it later because it is winding me up. It'll end up getting in there in that bloody damn canal at this rate. Pissing me off. Excuse my language. I've taken my headphones off now so I can hear a bit of sound because you don't know who's behind me, so I'd rather just leave my headphones off, folks. Like I said, I'm not sure if I put this up or not, but I just love this area. I tell you what, folks, if you've got a bike and you live in Stoke, come join me and we'll go out for a ride together. You know, I like my own company, but sometimes it'd be nice to have another cyclist with me. Like I said, I do appreciate your comments anyway. I don't care what time it is because I've got my lights on. I brought a t-shirt out of the jacket just in case. Because like I said, me Ernie's been playing up at most of the day. But I just can't stay in. If I stay in, I'll end up stressing, worrying about me Ernie and other stuff, you know what I mean, folks? But it's just nice getting out. I know a rabbit on sometimes, but when you're on your own, it's just hard. Like I said, I do these videos, some of these videos from my own behalf, and then some of them just like to show people the nature and everything. Where they could be, where they should be, out here looking and enjoying this nature and peace and quiet. That's if my camera don't go off again. If it starts playing up, I won't be putting the video on YouTube because the camera will be in the Ride Cauldon canal. I should have set my drone up really to follow me. That would have been nice in the video as well. I might get off at I keep forgetting what that bloody pub's called. Sorry about that, folks. I can't bloody think, I can't. The holly bush, that's it. I might get off there, and then there is some quite big banks up there, because I might go a different way back, and then when I get to a flat part, I'll start recording. I think, to be honest, folks, I'm going to have to ring the doctor about this leg. Just have a check up, see what's up with it. I don't know if it's because I've been overdoing it all the time, cycling every single day nearly. I don't know. Unless a woman crept in my room and bit my leg. I don't know. It smells nice round here though. think to be honest, I think all people live on these canal boats. It's their homes now. That's what somebody told me anyway, I'm not sure. I'll tell you what's one way of living, folks. You won't have to worry about pollution or worry about crime. Just live your life on a boat. I think that's a good choice, folks, living on the canal boat. There's a herring bird, just been flying off there. I wish my camera bloody zoom in, it'd be a lot better. Like I said, again, get off at the holly bush. There's quite a big bank up there, so what I'll do, I'll be pausing it and see if I can get up it. If not, I'll just push it a little bit, because it's good enough bite, but I don't think it's very good at getting up big massive banks, you know what I mean, folks? Anyway, folks, I'm going to stop it here, and then I might carry on recording when I get to another direction, and I'll see you the next half. But like I said, can you imagine just living here though, where that canal bit is over there? Just listen to that, just listen to this, folks, just for a second. Right, folks, I'm going to go and I'll see you in the next half. Hopefully if my camera will work. Anyway, bye for now and see you in a bit. Back again, folks. There's a bit of a bank there. I might have to pause it, I don't know yet, because the spike struggles up big banks. Tell you what, it's nice coming that way round here, straight down to the Foxley. Don't come hammer it down, but come fair speed, and it's right. What I'll do, I'll go so far, pause it, and then carry on. You have to excuse the noise on my hairdryer. Sounds like a bloody tumble dryer, to be honest. See, I'm in the very lowest gear and first. I take my time, it's alright. It's just when it goes a bit steep, it struggles a little bit. If it's like fairly flat on an incline, it's okay. It's just like when it goes like this here. Oh, you know what, it is a bit steep here, folks. Just going to switch my engine off a minute. Oh. But it's nice being on the motorbike. You haven't got to complain about getting up hills on them, can you? Where that sign says road closed, I will be pausing it there. Oh, yeah. Why can't they make UK just flat? Getting out of breath, I am. I tell you what, folks, it beats indoors. That's for sure. Yeah, I think what I'll do, I'll pause it here. I don't like it pausing it all the time. I don't want you to watch me struggle up that bank. Like I said, if my leg was better, I'd be up on my other bike and I'd get up there a lot easier. It's been saying that sign at least 3 times down this road, but if it is closed, I'm going to be a bit tipped off, so I'll have to go all the way down that way again. Well, it is peaceful though, folks, and I do appreciate your comments and everything. Right, I'm going to pause it here. When I get to the top, I'm going to have a juice, and if it's all flat, then I'll be recording again. Anyway, I'll speak to you in the next half. Bye for now. What a view here, folks. I'm back again. Like I said, I do apologise, I have to keep pausing it because some of these hills are big and my bike won't exactly make it up because it's steep. Shit bike. It'll do though. Look at this, folks. All round here, like. I was going to go that way, but to be honest, I just want to get back home, so I don't want to leave it out too long. Because that way's Warrington, 3 miles and Wetley Rocks, so I'm not going to go that way. I'm going to go Endon way, Longston and Leek that way. I don't understand why I keep saying road closed. I've noticed a few of these signs down Milton way, and the road's not actually closed. What was it then? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. See what time it is. It's nearly 8 o'clock now. Wetley Rocks. Now I won't go that way. I think if it was like 4 o'clock I would have gone that way, but it's like 8 o'clock now. Oh, let's get on my fabulous mountain bike, eh? Gets me A to B, done it. Look at that for a sun. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on YouTube yet, but see how I feel, if I want to do or not. You always guarantee when you go down there'll be more pissy nails up. I have been this way before, but I can't remember, to be honest. It doesn't really matter. Gets me out, doesn't it? This is why I love nature. This is why I like to be out all the time. Sorry about that, folks. Well, it's been saying this for ages. Road closed, road closed, road closed, road closed, road closed. Oh well. Bloody hell, that's a job and a half, isn't it? Definitely a job and a half, that. I think I know where it ends up actually. I think you come to like a hump, like a bridge with traffic lights on it. I'm not sure. You haven't excused the wind, folks. Look at that for a house. Yeah. I think if it was on the other bike, I'd be getting faster than this, to be honest. I think I might be right, folks. This is that bridge, I think. I tell you what, I'd love to live somewhere like this if I had loads of money. I'd hate to think how much one of them places cost. One of them farm places and that. Look at that for a sun, folks. That is bright. Before I forget, somebody's told me there's going to be a solar eclipse tomorrow. I don't know if it's true. About between 4 o'clock and 6 in Stoke-on-Trent, so need to check it out if it does happen. And if it's not windy, I will send my drone up and see if I can get a photograph of it. I tell you what, I'm not going to be happy if it is actually closed. We've been saying this since, well, as I got off at the Holly Bush, it was saying that all the way round, and I've seen that nothing stopped yet. Can't be for that little bit there. Little chubby cat. I'm sure this is where that bridge is with the traffic lights. I'm not sure, folks. I think it is, yeah. Oh, it isn't, sorry. It's a different one. I mean, I think it's either further to the left, the one with the traffic lights. Oh well. There you go. Back to square one. Can't have thought that.
Hello.
Hello. Fucking hell. Excuse me language. Swearing gnat has just gone on my gob. That's disgusting, man. I think what I'll do, I'll pause it so long for here, I'm just going to have a couple of minutes rest and check to see if I can fly my drone over this canal. Late, follow me. Anyway, just park up here somewhere. Find somewhere to park, actually. I mean, where I can lean my bike against something. Right folks, I'm just going to have 2 minutes here rest and then carry on and see the, just have a quick check so I can fly my drone above this water and late follow me. If I can't, don't matter. Anyway, I'll speak in the next half and I'll see you in a bit. I do appreciate your comments. Please like, share or subscribe if you are new to this channel. Bye for now. Hi folks, back to my channel. I'm just going to finish off here soon. See what time it is. Nearly 8:30. I've only got my vest top on and it's still just right. I just adjust my light, folks. That's it. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe. It's just like a short ride out from Ending all the way back that way, and the road wasn't closed because I went down it. So I have no clue what's happened there. To be honest, I was thinking about doing that. I've seen it on Facebook about this like dementia sponsored ride, but I've never done one before. I've done the Douglas Macmillan twice, but I've never been sponsored. Like, I think it's like 30 miles, 40 miles and 50 miles. We said you have to cycle with other people, but I did leave a comment saying can I do it on my own, but I'll have to see if I get any reply or not. That's 3 times I've got to fly my eye. Oh shit. I should put my clear glasses on, really, my clear lens glasses, because when them flies it in the eye it just wrecks. I might actually put my flashing light on in a minute, because you don't know who's going to come along, do you? Actually, I'll put my lights on. I know it's still a bit bright, but a bit dark here, to be honest. Right, let's put it on, folks. You never know, do you? Especially if someone's bloody blind at the back. Thank you. Like I said, I hope that you enjoyed the little video. I know I did this a few days ago, but I went further, didn't I? I think when I get past this bridge, I might end it there. Just trying to think. Actually, I'll end it a bit further. Just let these people go up there first, because I want to make a good run up it, up this canal. Isn't that peaceful, folks?
So that's literally great.
Nice and cool. I've just got the bright light on, but I've only got it on flash because it is quite a bright light, to be honest. Very bright. Thank you. Tell you what, that's living a dream across there, isn't it? Right, folks, I'm going to end it here now because time's going on. Like I said, if you are new to the channel, please like or subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully, if I can find anywhere to go. But if you have any suggestions, folks, please leave a comment if it's like local, like in Staffordshire. Anyway, I love you loads. And like I said, please, I do appreciate comments. And please like, share or sub the channel. Anyway, bye for now anyway.